those up? Will you put hang all the pot holders up? Thank you. Good girl. Good girl.
And who?
Good girl.
No, off.
Oh, you want them off? Want to take them all off? Wait, I thought you were going to put them back on.
Oh, miss. Oh, miss. Oh, miss. Oh, miss. Oh, miss.
Robin Mitt, yeah.
Sit up.
Huh? No, hang it up.
No.
Yeah, hang it up.
Sit
Huh?
up.
No, sit in my lap.
Hmm?
Will you hang it up?
No, Mommy.
Why not? Huh? Can you go hang it up?